I apologize about our camera person's language, but that's going to be a theme on this one, so hang on and buckle up a little bit. You can see their frustration was because we missed this person fall in. And today, in Miami Boat Ramps, we're doing it in a little different format because we epically fail on this day. I've not seen so many people do this in one day. This is all from one day down here at 79th Street, and we missed it every single time it happened. Again, nice. The same thing, she says nice, but we kind of missed it. You caught the end, but we don't see what happened to lead up to him falling in. And this is number 2. Same day, our second person in the water. And there's a lot more to come. So at least our guy's got a smile on his face, so obviously no injury when he fell in. But I don't really know what happened. I don't know what caused him to go in. All I know is my man's taking a swim. And it looks like he's gonna try and get a line up to somebody on the dock and I guess swim up the side of the trailer. And he misses a couple times on the line toss. And there we go, third time's a charm. But will the third time of somebody falling in be a charm for us? As we mentioned, I don't think so, not today. And unfortunately, here we go with our third person. Now, we are actually focused on what we think is the right shot. Anytime we see somebody with 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the vessel, it usually leads to boat ramp goal. So we're focused, waiting on that one to happen. The right call is being made here. But unfortunately, as with the theme of this video, it backfires. And we missed our guy going in over here. Guy number 3 in the water, same day, and we have missed all 3 of them. And 3, no, we're not done. Her bag's wet, her shirt's wet, that's right. She fell in, and all we have is the aftermath. Person number 4 in the water, same day, and we have missed all 4. Maybe we'll get lucky here, right? I mean, eventually we've got to catch a break on this same day. But unfortunately, the hits keep coming. We're watching this jet boat because we seem to have good success. Watching jet boats come into the dock, sometimes they do some fun things. But what we've missed is if you look in the background already, just look up in the top left-hand side of the screen, there's somebody in the water. They fell off the jet ski. We missed it in person 5, taking a swim at 79th Street. And man, it has been just a brutal day for us missing these shots. And it's not our camera person's fault, so I'm not blaming anybody on it. There's a lot that goes on in the boat ramp. But I've never seen this many people take a swim in the same day by falling into the water, and for us to absolutely miss them all is just incredible. But let's see if our jet boat at least pays off as they come in and try and dock. And we can see our guy walking out. He almost falls down the ramp there. And of course it's not going to play out. We'll get shot blocked before the jet boat can even hit the dock. So our crew is heading over. On approach. So our crew's at least got lines out, so they're partially ready on this one. Cap's trying to bring it back around. And a little dock nudge. Our guy goes for toss 1, miss, toss 2 misses. And now he stops. I mean, we were touching the dock. How can we not hit it? Of course, third time's the charm as usual. Our guy will be able to pull it up from here. And once again, the boat ramp gold setup. 1 foot on the dock, 1 foot on the vessel. Are we going to finally get our shot? Are we going to get somebody taking a swim? And it is close. And here we go. Splits is coming. Is he going in? No. We get robbed again. My man does not go in the water. And our same crew, the ski stalls out. So they're not done yet. They could give us another shot. No, no. We're shot blocked. He went in and the boat blocked it. Unbelievable. This is number 6 on the same darn day down at 79th Street. Somebody goes in the water. And this time we actually had the shot too. We were focused on it, but the police vessel pulled in front of us and blocks the actual image. So our guy's in the water. It looks like he's going to swim his buddy over. But here's the interesting part to this one to me, is why is he in the water? Why didn't the kid on the broken ski just jump off and swim that thing over? But they're quickly learning this is not as easily done as you would think. He's battling a little bit of a wind and current, and my man is struggling to get this ski back over to the dock. It would probably be easier if the kid on the ski would get off.
It's been crazy out there. It's been crazy out there.
How's it been today here?
Couple of people falling in.
So our kid going ahead and trying to put a little back into it now, and finally getting some traction on getting this thing over there. And actually decided it's a little easier. Yeah, let me just push the ski over, and there we go. My kid will get on the dock. And are we both going to get on the ski now? Yes. And we got a crew struggling docking right next to him, though. They've gotten this thing almost vertical as well. Trying to grab it and pull it back over. And they are struggling to get this one right.
Thank you. You too.
And our guy goes for the leap off the boat. And he starts to pull it over, but everybody was kind of hanging over the water. And of course, we had to be careful to make sure we weren't going to see number 7 go for a swim. But our crew looks like they're going to be okay. And they'll get it pulled up from here. And they should be good to go. And speaking of being good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.